level 2 because the one because I want to, and 2, the escalators were broken. So we're taking the right elevator, not the left elevator. Oh, hello. So here we go into the elevators. As you can see, it's big again. We're going to level 2. Close this door. Remember, there's a fun factory. Today is the the 24th of December. Today is Christmas Eve. Yeah. Here we are on level 2. And we spent a lot of our tickets, and I've got my chocolate. But I won this Hello Kitty from the plum tree. Yep. So this is elevator ride at Oakridge Mall, part 2, on Christmas Eve. I'll put that in the description. So that is our elevator ride with another lady. Because the last time we were by ourselves in the elevator. So remember, the 24th of December 2013. Because tomorrow is Christmas. Here's our car. We just finished the fun factory. And we ended up like at 730, I think. Alright, this is our car. And bye-bye now.